Have you ever wondered how the Make in India initiative impacts our economy? An intriguing question, isn't it? Well, let's unravel this together. Make in India is an ambitious initiative launched with the vision of transforming India into a global manufacturing hub. It's not just about production, it's about boosting domestic manufacturing and magnetizing foreign direct investment, or FDI as it's commonly known. The government plays a pivotal role in this grand scheme. They've introduced several policies aimed at smoothing the path for businesses to set up shop in India. From easing regulatory burdens to offering attractive incentives, the government is leaving no stone unturned to make India a lucrative destination for manufacturing units. This initiative is an embodiment of the government's commitment to fostering an environment conducive to growth and prosperity. But you might be wondering, so what does this all mean for India's economy? Well, it's time to delve deeper and explore the economic implications of Make in India. The Make in India initiative has had a profound effect on domestic manufacturing. Since its launch, we have seen a significant surge in homegrown industries. From the automobile sector to pharmaceuticals, textiles to technology, the initiative has breathed new life into the manufacturing scene. Key industries have flourished, powering India's march towards becoming a global manufacturing hub. For instance, the automobile industry, once a fledgling sector, is now a roaring engine of growth, contributing nearly 7% of the nation's gross domestic product. And it's not just about the industries. The initiative has been a boon for employment as well. Millions of job opportunities have been created, fostering a sense of self-reliance among the populace. The ripple effects of this employment boom have permeated every corner of the economy, from urban metropolises to rural landscapes. Moreover, the growth in domestic manufacturing has led to a significant reduction in dependence on imports. Once reliant on foreign shores for goods and materials, India is now increasingly self-sufficient, producing what it needs within its own borders. This not only bolsters the economy, but also strengthens the nation's standing on the global stage. But the benefits don't stop at domestic manufacturing. There's more to this story. Foreign direct investment, or FDI, is a crucial aspect of Make in India. This economic strategy involves a foreign entity establishing a business operation in another country, or investing in the operations of an existing foreign business. It's akin to sowing seeds in a fertile field, where the seeds are the foreign investments, and the field represents India's burgeoning economy. In the context of Make in India, FDI plays a vital role. It not only brings in much-needed capital, but also fosters innovation, enhances competitiveness, and creates jobs. It's a win-win situation for all parties involved. The foreign investors get access to a huge market and a cost-effective manufacturing base, while India benefits from technology transfer, skill development, and a boost to its manufacturing sector. Since the launch of Make in India, the country has become an attractive destination for FDI. A slew of reforms to ease doing business, coupled with incentives for setting up manufacturing units, has spurred an unprecedented inflow of foreign capital. In fact, India has seen a significant increase in FDI since the initiative's inception, catapulting it to the top echelons of FDI destinations globally. But the story doesn't end here. Make in India has also triggered a ripple effect in the economy, leading to growth in ancillary industries, infrastructure development, and an increase in consumer demand. The impact of Make in India goes beyond just manufacturing and FDI. The Make in India initiative has far-reaching implications for the Indian economy. This revolutionary policy has not only boosted domestic manufacturing, it's also played a pivotal role in fostering economic growth. By encouraging foreign direct investment and offering incentives for setting up manufacturing units, the initiative has catalyzed the creation of jobs, reducing unemployment rates and subsequently, poverty. Moreover, Make in India is fueling a paradigm shift towards self-reliance, propelling India to become a global manufacturing powerhouse. This is poised to significantly reduce the country's dependence on imports, leading to a healthier balance of trade. Looking ahead, the potential of this initiative is immense. As more and more companies set up manufacturing units in India, the wheels of the economy are set to spin even faster. This could lead to a surge in economic growth, further boosting employment and fostering innovation. Indeed, the Make in India initiative is a game changer for the Indian economy, setting the stage for a brighter, more prosperous future.